Chapter 34, Fifth Wheel and Hitching Devices, Day 1, Video 8, B-Lock. So the second type of locking system here is a B-Lock. So we've got two locking jaws here that will go in and capture or trap that kingpin in the fifth wheel plate. So as the kingpin travels into the lock mechanism here, the further it travels in, it contacts the lower parts here of the inner parts here of the jaws and starts to cause it to rotate around the pivots here. So here we've got the lock protruding through an opening in the fifth wheel plate, and as that kingpin comes in and starts the locks to close, it's retracting around or through the openings, and here we've got the yoke that is sliding down. The further that kingpin comes in, the more the locks rotate. They pull out of the openings here in the fifth wheel plate, and that yoke slides down. So we've got almost a fully engaged lock here. We're backing under the trailer more and more and more. The kingpin is coming in, causing these to rotate and close around it. That yoke is sliding further and further down until it is fully engaged. The kingpin is fully engaged. The yoke has traveled down and blocked off the ability for the lock to come through those openings in the fifth wheel plate. We've got our over center cam here that's holding this yoke down. We've got the fifth wheel trapped in the B-lock. Now to unlock the system, we've got the over center cam lock over here. We're going to pull our lever, and now that's going to move the over center lock, allowing that yoke to travel back up, right? I'm going to get in the truck and I'm going to start to pull away from the trailer. Right now that kingpin is being forced and being pulled out of the locks now. The more it's being pulled out, it's going to cause the locks to rotate, right? The yoke is retracting, and now the locks are able to come through that opening in the fifth wheel plate, continuing to open, come through the fifth wheel plate until they fully come through. The yoke is retracting all the time when we're doing that, and now we've allowed that kingpin to be pulled out, right? Uncoupled from the tractor, and away we go.